All right. Right here on this chart, we're looking at the S&P 500. This is the S&P 500 chart, and I identified 3 strong support bounces on this strong support level that I have marked up, SS, at the level of 7,271. So 7,271, so 7,271 points is where I see a third bounce level of strong support. The triple test of support, the first touch produced a strong bounce. The second touch produced a even stronger rally. Now we're on this third test, and we're trying to see if buyers are going to defend that again. A support level that holds multiple times proves institutions recognize it, but each test typically weakens the support. So we also see that the 50 EMA is falling, is starting to fail. The difference between this time and the price nearly lost the 50 EMA. That's a warning. Early bounces happen while price stayed comfortably above the 50 EMA. Now, the price is below the 9 EMA, is fighting around the 50 EMA as momentum is weaker than the previous bounces. This tells me that buyers aren't stepping in with the same conviction. Number 3, the momentum indicators that we got. The RSI is around 46, below 50 means momentum have shifted slightly bearish. Not oversold yet, so there is still room lower if sellers want to stay in control. We also got the MACD, remains below the signal line. The histogram is still negative. Bearish momentum hasn't reversed yet. This means bulls haven't received confirmation to push it higher. We also need to notice the volume. The volume on the recent selling. This tells us institutions are active. We need to watch whether buying volume still increase, which will be bullish, or selling volume continues dominating, will be bearish. Here's the bullish scenario. If institutions defend this area again, hold the 7,271 and can reclaim the 9 EMA and closes back above the 50 EMA, then I expect another move toward the 7,400, 7,450 range, potentially the recent highs. The bearish scenario. If 721.71 breaks with a strong daily close below it, that would invalidate the triple support setup. The 50 EMA would likely be lost, and I expect price to rotate toward my next level of support, which is the 7,048, 7,050 range before buyers step back in. My biggest takeaway, this isn't just another bounce. This is a decision point. 3 successful defenses show institutions still value this level, but the weaker bounce loss on short-term momentum and the pressure on the 50 EMA suggests buyers are losing strength. So I would not assume support holds here, simply because it has before. I will wait for the confirmation. That will be the strong bullish counter reclaiming the 9 EMA and holding above the 50 EMA equals bullish. Below close, the daily close below the 7,271 range with follow through, and this will be bearish. For traders this week, 7,271 is the line in the sand. The market's next meaningful move will likely be determined by whether institutions defend or abandon.